Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel, answering a question that you have left me. How much gasoline do you have to put in a diesel tank to be able to clean the engines? What percentage? Let's see, the percentage is 0. Why do I say this? Let's see. Gasoline effectively has a detergent effect, clean. The problem in diesel vehicles is that the injection pump and injectors have moving parts, and these moving parts need to be lubricated. With diesel, because diesel also fuel, it also acts as a lubricant. If we remove that lubricant at the end, we will damage the injection pump and the injectors. Apart from that, we do not want explosions to take place inside the combustion chamber, inside the cylinder, because gasoline reacts differently to diesel. Because in this way the only thing we are going to do is damage the engine. I have already heard this question for many years, and none of my diesel cars find out I would do gasoline. Just as I would not add diesel to a gasoline vehicle, apart from the fact that now there are quite modern vehicles and the vehicle stops because the vehicle's computer detects that there is a substance other than diesel, which in this case is gasoline, and it would stop. Sometimes it even detects it as if it were something else, water or another compound. That's why I already say that in some vehicles you do that, as I say in modern vehicles, and they stop. If you want to clean the injectors, the ideal is to disassemble them, clean them, and if when disassembling them they need to be repaired, they are repaired and reinstalled, because in the end you are going to save what you have spent there. You are going to save it later on fuel costs, apart from the fact that the vehicle will be much better. They sell out there good specific cleaners that are put in the diesel tank that are for this, but the ideal, as I say, is to disassemble and clean them. Here is the video. If it has been useful for you, do not forget to give our like and subscribe to the channel.